The Necklace, Chapter 7, NCRT English. The husband worked evening, putting the books of some merchants in order. At night he often did coughing at 5 source of page. And this life lasted for 10 years. At the end of 10 years, they had restored all. Madame Lucy seems old now. She had become a strong, hard woman, the crude woman of the poor household. Her hair badly dressed, her skirt awry, her hands red. She spoke in a loud tone and washed the floor with a large pan of water. But sometime, when her husband was at the office, she would seat herself before the window and think of that evening party of the former times, of that ball where she was so beautiful and so flattered. Her husband work at evening means he always doing the overtime and putting the books of the some merchants in order. He did it the extra work putting the some books somewhere in a merchant in order. Not that he often did a copying at the 5 source of the page. 5 source means that is the currency former French of the coins of the low value. For that the low value per page, he just copying that the pages, and this life the lasted for the 10 years. This type of the busy life he was in that the 10 years. At the end of the 10 year they had restored all. At the end of that the 10 year they had restored all things, and Madame Lucis seems older now. Then after 10 year Madame Lucis become very older. Then she had become the strong, and as well as she become very strong and hard woman. Then the crude woman of the poor householder, her hairs badly dressed, and her skin's orange, and her hands red. She spoke in the loud tone. She spoke in a loud tone and washed the floor with the large pans of the water. She always busy with her daily work in that the house. And but the sometimes when her husband was at the office, she would sit herself before the window and think of that the evening party of the former times. Whenever she alone on that time, she sit up front of that the window and she think about it that the evening, such type of the evening change her life till the 10 years, and that the ball where the sea was a beautiful so that the flatter, and she always prayed praise of that the beautiful platters, beautiful lookings, like then she think about it very deep in that the past 10 years life. Would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? How no, how singular is life, and how full of changes, how small thing will ruin or save one. How would it have been if she had not lost the necklace? She said, if you not lost the necklace, what will be happen? Who know? We don't know. Then how singular is life? She said, how life is singular and how full of the changes, and that life is a full of change. How and which mode and uh, me- um, which things change our life, that is no one say. So that's why our life is a very how small a thing will ruin or save one, how a small things save us and ruin us, according to her. One Sunday, as she was taking a walk in a champs of the ellipsis to the read of the herself of the cares of the week, she suddenly perceived a woman walking with a child. It was a Madame Forestier, still young, still pretty, still attractive. Madame Loisel was affected. Should she speak to her? Yes, certainly. And now that she had paid, she would tell her all. Why not? One Sunday, she was taking a walk in that the champs of the ellipsis. On that the Sunday, she is walking to on the place. Then that time, read herself on the cares of the week. She suddenly pursued a woman walking with the child. She suddenly identified that the woman one walking with that the child, it was the Madame Forestier. She was a Madame Forestier, still younger. She was still younger, still pretty, still attractive. She was young, pretty, attractive. Means there were no any changes on her. Madame Lucille was affected though, should, and she speak to her. Yes, certainly. And now that she had paid it, she would tell her all, and why not? She approached her. Good morning, Jenny. Her friend did not recognize her and was astonished to be so familiarly addressed by this the common personage. She stammered, but madam, I do not know. You must be mistaken. No, I am Matilda's docile. Her friend uttered a cry of the astonishment. Oh, my poor Matilda, how you have changed. Now she approached her and she speak with her. Good morning, Jennings. Her friend did not recognize her. Her friend did not recognize her and was astonished. Astonished means she's become very shocked to be as the familiarly addressed by this the common personage. She become shocked and is not be familiar to her. She stammer, but the madam, I do not know. You must be the mistaken. She said, you don't know. You, I think that you make the mistake for the identify. No, I am Matilda Lucils. She said, no, I am Matilda Lucils. Her friend uttered a cry and astonishment. Oh, my poor Matilda, how you have the change. Then they recognize and then say how you change yourself. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you, and some miserable ones, and all because of you. She said, yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you. She said, when I saw from that the days, I did a hard work. Then are some miserable ones, and all of the because of you. And I spent that the miserable time with me and my husband. Then and it is happen just only and only because of you. Because of me, how is that? She said, because of me, how is that? You recall of the diamonds necklace that you loaned me to wear to the minister's ball. Then yes, very well. Well, I lost it. How is that? Since you return it to me, they are discussing about that the necklace she give to wear her on that the occasion of that the minister's party. And then she thought she said to her that lost it from my side. I return another to you exactly like it. I return another to you exactly like it, and it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. I had written exactly like it, but for that the return I had taken has the 10 years pay for it. You can understand that it was not easy for us, and it is not easy for us. You can understand who have nothing, but it is a finished, and I am decently content. And now it is a finish whatever cost of that the diamond, and now I am decently content means satisfied now. Madam Forrester stopped short and she said, you say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine. She think about it and she asked, whatever you give the return, that is the you say that you brought a diamond necklace to replace mine. Yes, you did not pursue it then. They were just alike. They were just alike, and she smiled with a proud and the simple joy. Then she smiled, proud and simple joy. Madame Forrester was touched and took both her hands as she replied. She touched her hand and she replied, oh, my poor Matilda, madam, where the false? They were not worth over 500 francs. That is not original diamond necklace. That is only and only worth 500 francs. and just you give me original diamond necklace in return. Oh no, that is a bad, it is a huge mistake you did from your side, and you spent a 10 years to recover that the necklace cost. Hope so that everyone understood this is a beautiful and good lesson. Thank you very much.